The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome represents one of the boldest evolutions in ultra-luxury travel ever imagined. This is not a traditional camper, and it is not simply a stretched RV with a premium badge attached. It is a fully engineered, handcrafted mobile mansion designed to carry the DNA of Rolls-Royce into the world of long-distance touring. Built with the same philosophy that defines models like the Rolls-Royce Phantom and the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, this motorhome focuses on silence, comfort, presence, and effortless performance. From the first glance, the exterior makes a powerful statement. The iconic Pantheon grille dominates the front, illuminated with subtle LED accents that give it a commanding yet elegant look at night. The Spirit of Ecstasy sits proudly at the nose, immediately signaling that this is no ordinary recreational vehicle. The body stretches close to 40 feet in length, yet the proportions are carefully sculpted to avoid the boxy appearance typical of most motorhomes. Smooth aerodynamic lines, flush-mounted windows, and bespoke paint finishes create a flowing, yacht-like profile. Buyers can choose from exclusive color palettes or commission a fully custom shade developed specifically for them. Under the surface, performance is equally extraordinary. The 2026 motorhome is powered by a twin-turbocharged V12 engine paired with a hybrid electric system. Combined output is estimated around 600 horsepower with massive torque available from low revs, ensuring smooth acceleration even with the vehicle's substantial weight. Despite its size, it moves with surprising grace. The hybrid system allows near-silent electric cruising at lower speeds, ideal for entering luxury resorts or private estates without disturbance. On highways, the V12 delivers refined power that feels effortless rather than aggressive. Step inside and the experience transforms completely. The cabin feels more like a private penthouse suite than a vehicle interior. Hand-stitched leather covers the seating surfaces, complemented by open-pore wood veneers and brushed metal accents. Ambient lighting is carefully tuned to create a calming atmosphere, and the starlight headliner extends across the ceiling with hundreds of fiber-optic lights forming a soft constellation above. Every material is selected for both visual beauty and tactile quality. The layout includes a spacious lounge area with fully reclining armchairs, a dining space with a handcrafted table, and a fully equipped gourmet kitchen. High-end appliances are seamlessly integrated behind elegant cabinetry. Soft closed drawers, hidden storage compartments, and precision-fitted panels ensure a clean and uncluttered look. The kitchen is capable of supporting extended travel, offering refrigeration, induction cooking, and smart storage systems designed for stability while driving. Toward the rear, a private master suite provides hotel-level comfort. A king-size bed with premium mattress technology ensures restful sleep during long journeys. Climate zones can be individually adjusted, and smart glass windows allow privacy at the touch of a button. The attached bathroom features marble-inspired surfaces, a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and designer fixtures. The attention to detail mirrors what one would expect inside a luxury residence rather than a mobile vehicle. Technology plays a central role in elevating the experience. A fully integrated AI-based control system manages lighting, climate, entertainment, and security. Voice commands allow passengers to adjust settings without touching a screen. Multiple OLED displays provide navigation, entertainment streaming, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. Energy management has also been carefully engineered. Solar panels integrated into the roof generate supplemental power to support onboard systems while parked. High-capacity battery storage enables extended off-grid stays without sacrificing comfort. The hybrid system enhances efficiency compared to conventional large-engine motorhomes, extending range and reducing fuel consumption during long trips. Customization is perhaps the most defining element. Buyers are invited to personalize nearly every aspect of the motorhome, from stitching patterns to interior themes. Some may choose a minimalist modern aesthetic, while others may opt for rich, classic tones with deep wood finishes and bespoke embroidery. Each unit is crafted in limited numbers, ensuring exclusivity and individuality. Driving this motorhome is not about speed records or off-road adventures. It is about gliding across highways in total comfort. It is about arriving at a destination without fatigue. It is about transforming travel into an experience that feels curated and intentional. Instead of booking a suite at a luxury resort, owners carry their private sanctuary with them wherever they go. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome stands as a statement of what happens when traditional automotive luxury meets the freedom of open-road living. It merges craftsmanship, performance, advanced technology, and bespoke personalization into a single, cohesive masterpiece. For those who demand the highest standard in every aspect of life, this motorhome redefines what it means to travel in ultimate style.